How to create a red prohibition sign in DaVinci Resolve 20.3.1. Inside your Projects Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Go and drag a Fusion composition clip to your timeline. Right-click on this new clip and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside your Fusion Nodes panel, select a background node which we will use to add colour to your shape. With background 1 selected, go to Inspector and underneath Colour, click on the black box next to Colour and choose the relevant shade from the palette. Here in this example I will use the Vibrant Red preset with the hexadecimal code #FF0000. Click OK. With background 1 still selected, go to add an ellipse tool, which should be automatically connected to the background node. Click on the grey box alongside background 1 and drag your mouse cursor to the yellow arrow alongside Media Out 1 to make a connection, so that your new shape will be processed for your video clip. Select either left or right view underneath Media Out 1 to see a preview of your final effect above the Fusion timeline. Select Ellipse 1, underneath Inspector and Controls, deselect Solid, and change border width to 0.05. Take note of your border width value, as you will require twice this numerical value when you apply the diagonal rectangle next. With Ellipse 1 still selected, go to add a rectangle tool between the ellipse and the background nodes. Since we applied 0.05 to the border of the ellipse, we need to apply double this value of 0.1 to the height of this rectangle to ensure that there is consistency in line thickness in the circle and line effect. Finally, change angle to -45. Should you wish to make size and position adjustments of your shape on screen, select the background node before Media Out 1 and go to add a transform tool, where you can adjust the size and also change the horizontal positioning using center X and the vertical location by changing center Y. The black space around your red lines is transparent, enabling you to see video clips and still images that you place on video tracks below this particular Fusion composition clip. If you wish to make the shape stand out better on a background where there is a lack of contrast, select Transform, hold in Shift and press Space, and go to add a Drop Shadow tool. Increasing shadow strength reduces the blur of the shadow. Position of the shadow can be changed with drop angle. Increasing drop distance will position the shadow further away from the shape, and increase the value for blur for a blending option, with the colour of the shadow selectable below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.